Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to accept friend requests on Monopoly Go. Accepting friend requests that you received on Monopoly Go is pretty easy. So let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, launch open your Monopoly Go application from your app drawer. Wait until your app loads up, which will take a few minutes. Once you're inside the main homepage of Monopoly Go, after logging in, simply go ahead and tap on the Friends button appearing at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside your Add Friends tab, if you've received a friend request, it'll be shown as Accept or Deny. To accept your friend request, tap on the Accept button in green. If you want to deny a certain request, simply tap on Deny, and that is how you should be able to accept your friend request that you received on Monopoly Go. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.